How to make viral AI celebrity images with Gemini. Hey guys, and welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. So the secret is to avoid the word photo. So instead of asking for a person by name, you can just describe their iconic style or use the caricature mode. So let me give you an example prompt. Alright guys, so this kind of prompt can be used. Then you can just use thinking. You can also use fast, doesn't really matter. But if you're creating an image, which is the case in our situation, use thinking model. So after that, Gemini 3 also loves artistic styles. So you can ask for something like oil paintings or 8-bit pixel art or hand-drawn sketches. These are often processed because they are not identifiable deepfakes. Okay, so as you can see, we are having the interesting photo of Elon Musk, I'm guessing portraying the Iron Man along with his buddy dog on the right. That's something I've never seen before. And also we have a SpaceX rocket flying right near them. Wow, that's something definitely. And also guys, this year's vibe method. You can describe the vibe of the person without the name. So one other example. So something like this, and then generates. And Gemini will capture the essence of the viral moment without triggering the celebrity safety block. So viral art is about the idea, not just the face. If this prompt tag helped you create something legendary today, hit like and subscribe.